Morning, it's day 11. I didn't film yesterday because we were at the marathon. I was too tired afterwards, and I did another video for that anyway.
But look at his little...
Well, I got a medal. So we're going to be going to EPCOT today for a few hours. We've got Space 220. We're going to do Frozen, and if we need to, we're going to see if we can get Lightning Lane. We'll try and do Remy's Ratatouille. We're going to do Soarin and Living with the Land.
Or potentially with an ECV.
Or potentially with an ECV. Hopefully we can get there and we can rent one because I don't want to walk around for the day. Mum doesn't want to walk around for the day. And I don't know if Claire's getting one.
I'm not getting one, but they can carry my bags.
We're back in EPCOT.
Yeah.
Last time I was back.
Favourite place.
Oh, I thought he was falling.
No, that's me. It's favourite place.
First stop ECVs.
Hang on, Lynn. Where are you going? Lynn. Lynn.
And we're off. Should we get a photo done?
Yep.
Where do you think you're running off to, Mum? Protocol, Soarin and Living with the Land, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll race you. 3, 2, 1, go. To the elevators, Mother. Let's see. Oh, what pros at this, isn't it? Viva! Race!
Oh, God.
Ready, Mum? Ready, Bert.
Soarin inbound. We are ready for takeoff.
Wave.
We made it eventually.
We've got to park the car outside under the window.
Both of you on your phones, couple of Anthony's, haven't you? Yep. You've been moaning about soup all week. How's this one?
Nice.
Hitting the spot.
Yeah, I like Swiss soup.
How's your soup? Gonna do Ratatouille next. Gonna wait for 75 minutes. And this is where I'm glad I've got this ECV. We're in. 45 minutes later, not 70. Yeah, we like Ratatouille.
No, I don't like it. It's too fast.
Okay, let's go.
You never know, that's a good for a ride.
Hello. Hello. Sorry, look. It's a little Godzilla. If you ask me, that shirt's looking a little coy.
Yeah.
Hilarious, isn't it? You ready to do Frozen, Mum? Yeah. Word on road, is this ride gives you chills?
Yeah.
So we're just heading over to Space 220. Claire's run off ahead because we're running late, and this is the slowest rush job of my life on this ECV. It's incredibly infuriating going this slow when you're in a rush, but it is what it is. Right, it's time to go for space. Are you both excited? You're going to go to space, you're going to be an astronaut, Mum.
I've always wanted to be an astronaut, but my eyesight was never good enough.
Well, now's your chance. Awesome, thank you. Boarding pass. Multiple. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, different.
It actually feels like you've got, it does almost feel like you're up in space, doesn't it? It does feel like you've gone somewhere. It's pretty good.
We've got a bit more whiskey that time. It's alright, you didn't make the face go.
It's a red star.
So what's a red star?
Jameson's dragon fruit, lime.
It says fresh lemon and onyx.
I don't know what onyx is.
Onyx, it's a Pokemon, or a type of rock, depending on who you ask.
There's the alien.
There's the alien. A little strong.
Combination of vodka and sugar.
So we got some sliders, some regular,
Space
some gluten sliders, some deviled eggs, a space pants, and an alien. How is it, Mum? Does it taste spacey? And how's yours?
Out of this world.
Out of this world.
A bit of bacon.
Ready to go back to work?
No.
just heading back to the fireworks now. Mum's just had a little giggling fit, saying I'm slow. Wonder what was wrong with her. And we're here for the fireworks.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
On your bike.
On my bike, yeah. You finished laughing now, Mum?
Finish laughing at your slow folk son.
So my fault I got a slow ECV.